Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in last few years we have witnessed a huge advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. So nowadays artificial intelligence has applications among every industry, and it is going to be one of the biggest digital transformation in the upcoming years. Friends, one of such application of artificial intelligence where the artificial intelligence models will be capable of generating fake faces that look almost identical to real human faces. Friends, the artificial intelligence models are becoming more perfect day by day, and it is impossible to differentiate between the real face and the artificial intelligence generated face or fake face. Now friends, I will try to show you certain sample faces which are generated by AI models. Okay. So friends, all these faces are fake faces. These persons does not exist within this real world because these faces are generated by artificial intelligence model. And you can observe here these are quite similar to real human face. So it is impossible for us to differentiate between the real face and the AI generated face. Now friends, we will try to understand how AI models can be used for generating these fake images. Friends, here these fake images are generated by a class of machine learning model called GAN, that is GAN. It stands for Generative Adversarial Networks. The name of researcher who invented this GAN machine learning model is Goodfellow, and he invented this machine learning model in 2014. Friends, the idea behind this model was creating a machine learning model which will be able to generate fake data. So fake data may be of any kind like images, video, voice, etc. So for example, here we are generating fake images. So friends, the researcher Goodfellow came up with idea in which two neural networks will compete with each other. First neural network will be used for generating the fake images based on the existing data set of real person images, which is called generator. And second neural network will be used for identifying the difference between real and fake images, that is called discriminator. So this GAN machine learning model has two important components. First one is generator, which is used for generating fake images, and second one is discriminator, which is used for discriminating real and fake images. Here the generator's job is to create the images in such a way that discriminator will believe that the generated images are real. So discriminator is getting better at identifying the fake images, and it will be able to distinguish between a real image and fake image. So in this machine learning model, they are trying to train the first neural network in the second neural network. So GAN is one of the most appealing innovation in the field of deep learning, and it is one of the coolest idea in the deep learning since last 20 years. The GAN generated images are very convincing and they are creating realistic human faces. Friends, this tool may be dangerous or harmful since GAN can be used for creating fake dating profiles as well, and it is used for spreading the fake information as well. So friends, I am going to tell you now two websites which are based on this GAN machine learning model. Name of first website is thispersondoesnotexist.com. So start your browser and search for So friends, you can see here the first result, this person does not exist. Now friends, whatever portrait you are observing on your screen right now, this is fake face which is generated by GAN machine learning model. This person does not exist within this real world. So friends, this website is AI powered and it was created by Philip Wang. Friends, on this website, each time whenever you will refresh the page, the GAN will render a hyper realistic portrait of completely fake person which does not exist within this world. This site is based on NVIDIA's StyleGAN algorithm. So if I refresh page, you can see now this is another image, another portrait, and which is completely AI generated. It is fake face. So this person does not exist within this world. Like this, by refreshing every time you will get certain new face which will be generated by StyleGAN machine learning model and which will be completely fake. Okay, one more time I will refresh. So friends, here you can observe these generated faces are quite similar to real faces. So here if you scroll down, you can find out more details regarding this website. Okay, now friends, one more website I am going to tell you which is based on GAN model. So the name of website is Generated Photos. So friends, here you can see this is the another website which is based on GAN machine learning model. This website also generate certain fake faces. Friends, this is the homepage of generated.photos website. So here you can see at the top face generator. So you can also generate a customized face with help of this face generator tool. You can also browse the AI generated fake faces. So in order to browse faces, simply click on browse photos. Now friends, here you can see all these are fake faces. These persons does not exist within the real world. These all are AI generated portrait pictures. Okay, so thousands of pictures you can generate with help of this website. Friends, here at the top you can see the number of pictures that are generated with help of this AI machine learning model. Friends, you can also filter the results as per your requirement. So here you can see there is a filter option which will allow you to filter the results. So you can select the face type, you can select the pose type, you can select the gender, age, ethnicity, eye color, hair color. So all these options you can customize as per your requirement, and it will show you result based on the filters you have applied. So for example, here I will select certain filters. So let's see what result we will get. And I will click on apply. Now friends, you can see here we are getting this result based on the filters that we have selected. So if I click on show more, it will generate some more pictures based on the filters that we have applied. So all these are certain fake faces generated by this AI machine learning model. So if I want to use this face, just click on it. Friends, if I scroll down, you can see it will show me certain similar generated photos, whichever selection I have made. Okay, like this you can generate the fake faces with help of generated photos website. Friends, one more interesting tool this website is providing here, and that is face generator tool. Now you can generate a customized face as per your requirement using this tool. So if you click on this tool, it will take you to this page, and here we have to tab on generate faces. Otherwise you can see here it is showing the demo video. Okay, so I will click on generate faces, and now here you can see it is presenting you certain options, and by selecting it you will be able to generate a face. So first of all, it is showing certain sample face here, and now select the gender, then select the position here. So we will select the front head pose. Next we can control the age here, so I will slide this little bit and we will keep a younger face. Okay, and then I will click on update face, so I can see the changes within the given picture. Okay, you can see now the face is quite looking younger. Okay, then emotion you can specify here: neutral, happy, surprise, angry. So let's say happy. Again I will update the face. Okay, then you can select the skin tone color here, hair color you can select, then you can also control the length of hair. One more interesting feature they have added here: hair loss. You can also add hair loss to your face. So let's see how it will look after adding hair loss. You can see. Okay, then if you want glasses, currently there are glasses, you can control that as well. Okay, as well as you can control makeup and other things. Like this you can generate the face. Friends, the generated photograph you can download. So for downloading you need to sign in within this website. So you can simply sign in with Google and you will be able to download the generated face. If you tab here, you can see there is a download option, and whenever you will tab on download, it will ask you for sign in within this website. Okay, friends, this is how you can use this face generator tool. This website also provides you a data set of portrait pictures. So if you are working on certain machine learning project where you will require the data set of portrait pictures, then you can download data set from this website as well. So here you can see it has provided a diverse synthetic and real life data set for machine learning. So you can see the all data set related details here, what it contains. Okay, so it will be useful for training your machine learning model if you are working on certain project. So friends, this is how the GAN machine learning model can be used for generating certain fake data. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video as well as subscribe this channel. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.